Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to combine text in a single cell using concatenate function. Assuming you're working on a huge report of data whereby you need to combine text in a single cell, we all agree typing one by one can be really time consuming and tedious. So that's where concatenate function comes in. So let's get started. First, select the cell where you need the combined text to appear. Then click the insert function icon. Then at this drop-down icon, select all. Then this bar allows you to search any function that you want to use. In this particular case, we want to use concatenate function. So let's type it. Then search. Then double click. You can see our function has been inserted here. So please also take note, this function can add up to 255 texts in a single cell, okay? And this include characters like space. They are also considered as a text. So at this point, let's input our first text, which is the first name, John. So select cell B4. Then at text 2, put a space. Then text 3 will be James. So let's select cell C4. There you go. So please take note that Excel continues to add more text bars as you go down. Remember, the limit is 255 text. Then once you're done, click OK. So you can see our names have been combined here. So if you want to combine the rest of the names, uh, just put your cursor here and drag the formula. There you go. It's as easy as that. So if you're working on a report which is bigger than this, you follow the same steps and drag the formula. If you need to change the name here, maybe to Anne, okay, you can see the changes have been reflected at the have been reflected here. So that's it about combining text in Excel using concatenate function. If you found this tutorial quite helpful, please remember to leave a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.